Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. It's deck time. Putting the deck, or finishing, or trying to get the deck done on the trailer. Just wanted to give you a quick overview on how I'm going about doing it. I just got the wood sitting here for now. What I ended up doing is taking the trailer to Menards to get the wood, because got to have something pretty long to get the wood. It's 18 feet. So got it in my garage, stained the bottom side of it and all the edges, and then I pulled the trailer out of the garage the next day and laid all the wood on with the sealed side down, of course. This board had to get ripped. It's not sitting in there, but it will sit good once it gets bolted down. Wood is definitely not straight. So I had to notch it. I notched it, and I made sure I got paint on that notch. All the 6 or the 4, or what would that be? 5 sides were all sealed underneath. Yeah, I can't really lift it up. The wood's pretty tight. So everything's sealed underneath. All the edges are sealed. So all I had to do was the top. I'm still gonna have to touch in a couple spots, but got it notched. I got the so I'm gonna screw it across this brace, and I got it marked in yellow. I'm gonna run a straight line across there. I'm gonna cinch it down on this brace. I'm going to cinch it down on this brace because I got it marked, so I know where the brace is. And then I'm going to go ahead and cinch it on this, on that front panel. So, yeah, I ended up, like I say, I had to rip this board. So I got all these boards in there, and then I just took a measurement from here to here, and then I ripped that board. Got that done. And all the boards had to get trimmed here about 1 inch. They're not perfect, but all I got is a skill saw, so I can't do it any better. Yeah, so I think it looks pretty good. So the next step now is go ahead and start bolting it down. So I just kind of wanted to give you a quick view on how I got this going. Yeah, it's stained on all 6 sides. Not really a great time of the year to be doing it, because the temperature has to be, pretty warm out when the stain takes forever to dry. So had to do it in the garage, of course, and that was kind of a bummer deal. But still waiting on the lights, blah blah blah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the deck cinched in probably in the next day or two. Give this stain a little more time to dry, and I'll touch up the bare spots that I need to. I just rolled it, by the way, too. I didn't get up on there and brush it on or anything. So I'll probably end up doing another coat next spring or whatever when it's warmer. It took 1 gallon to do 9 boards, all 6 sides. 1 gallon. I got just enough to do some touch up. So yeah, I appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. I got a couple new subscribers. Thank you for that. Hope you like the content. Yeah, I'm going to mount a winch on the front somehow, some way. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet, but yeah, so I still got a little bit of sandblasting to do in here, and I'm going to get that painted, and then I'm doing some wiring stuff. I noticed there was a ground here, and then there's some rust in there because that was cinched in, so of course that broke off, so I'm going to have to figure something out there. But I want to sandblast in here now because I see some rust. So yeah, I'm just still working on the trailer, slow but sure. Totally appreciate you guys watching and liking and subscribing, clicking the bell, thumbs up. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.